morning, everyone. How are you today? I hope you're fine and happy to able to join this competition. Well, before I deliver my speech, let me introduce myself. My name is Laurensia. I'm in 5th grade from 1 primary school. Today, I want to tell you about my speech. The title of my speech is If I Were a Winner in This Competition. Good morning, everyone, my honorable teachers and the judges. The first of all, we must say thanks to the God because of His love we can gather here in a good heart. My beloved audience, of course, I stand here today with excitement and a heart full of hope. If I were a winner in this competition, I would feel incredibly proud, but not just myself, but also everyone who participated. Winning is not just raising a trophy or a prize. It's about the journey we take to get here. It's about the hard work, the practice, the challenges we face, and the lesson we learn along the way. If I were a winner, I will celebrate the effort, the determination, and the courage to take part in this competition. Ladies and gentlemen, but being a winner also means being grateful. I will thanks to my teachers and my parents for their support and encouragement, and also my friends for their kindness and motivation. I believe that every person in this room has the ability to be a winner in their own way. Whether it's through their kindness